Does permissive use affect my insurance rates? Have you ever wondered what happens to your car insurance rates if you let someone else drive your vehicle? This is where the concept of permissive use comes into play. Permissive use means allowing someone who is not listed on your car insurance policy to drive your insured vehicle with your permission. Most car insurance policies provide coverage for permissive drivers, which means your insurance will cover any damages or injuries if they have an accident while driving your car, as long as it falls within the terms of your policy. Now, let's talk about how this affects your insurance rates. Generally, permissive use itself does not directly increase your premiums. This feature is often included as a standard part of most auto insurance policies. However, there are some important details to keep in mind. If a permissive driver causes an accident while driving your car, any claims paid under your policy could lead to higher premiums when your policy renews. This is similar to if you had caused the accident yourself. Another point to consider is frequent permissive use by the same driver. If someone drives your vehicle often, your insurance company may requiring you to add that driver as a named insured on your policy. Named drivers are formally listed, and their driving history is taken into account when calculating your rates, which can lead to increased premiums. Additionally, insurance companies may limit how often permissive use applies. For instance, some policies allow a permissive driver to use your vehicle only a certain number of times per year, such as up to 12 times. If that limit is exceeded, the driver should be added to your policy for proper coverage. It is also important to note that permissive use coverage typically only applies when the driver has your permission, is licensed, and is not excluded from your policy. If the vehicle is used for business purposes, ride-sharing, or unauthorized use, this coverage may not apply. In summary, while permissive use itself does not automatically raise your insurance rates, accidents caused by permissive drivers can certainly impact your premiums. If someone regularly drives your vehicle, it is wise to add them to your policy to ensure they are properly covered and to avoid surprises during your next renewal. Always check your specific policy details and consult your insurance provider to understand how permissive use may influence your insurance costs in your state.